Hello, how are you doing? It's a lovely Tuesday. Thank you so much for tuning. In case you're watching live, you can drop a comment. In case you're watching the replay, you can drop a comment and say drop hashtag replay. I'm so excited to be with you. It's another lovely and a great positive day. Thank you so much. In case you don't know me, I'm Ogo Hilary. I'm a social media expert and online business coach. Thank you so much. Today, I'm here to share some value. And the title of my topic is Building Your Business Strategically Online. Building Your Business Strategically Online, Part 2. Thank you so much. A quick question. Are you tired of prospecting friends and family? Are you tired of prospecting friends and family? Tired of doing home meetings, cold calls and chasing after everyone you meet? Are you sick of being accused of peddling some pyramid thing? If you said yes to any of these questions, then you are ready to take your networking business into the 21st century and build your business online. Let me explain with a quick short story. 9 months into my networking business, I had recruited 17 people into my business, and all of them had quit. If you've been there before, you know how frustrating it is. I had home meetings at friends' houses, strangers' houses, attended company events and regional events. After literally tens of thousands of miles driven and huge amount of money in the hole, I was about to call it quits. Yes, I was about to call it quick. If you've been at that moment, at that transition moment, you should understand how frustrating it is. It was pretty embarrassing. It wasn't a pleasant moment. And I absolutely did not want to face the "I told you so" from anyone. So I took a leap of faith and started searching the internet for answers. By the grace of God and maybe a little luck, I found the website of someone who had built his networking empire almost completely online. And this began my journey into online network marketing. I was saved. Yes, I was saved. I can remember that moment. To cut the long story short, after some years of dedication and consistent hard work, I started making thousands of dollars in income later. I thank God for the online mentors I've grown with, because they literally saved my life. They literally saved me from frustration. And today, as my mentors did with me, I devote much of my time today showing others how they can take their networking or network marketing business online and let go of everything you don't like about building the old school way. Now, if you want to build your network marketing business online, here's what you need to know. First of all, the benefits are huge. Truth be told, the benefits are huge. You can generate fresh qualified leads from wherever and whenever you please. You can end rejection forever by only talking to people who are highly interested in your offer. You don't need to drive long hours. Your startup costs are low and your business works for you 24/7 without you having to pick up the phone. Yes. The best part is that you don't need to be techy. No, you don't need to be techy or particularly good with computers to get started. These are some things required to take your business online. Starting with mindset. Mindset is very important. I know people have different attitudes as far as personal development and mindset goes, but my advice is pretty practical. First, you must get comfortable with the unknown. You must get comfortable with the unknown. basically you need to be present and respect the journey. Know that you are not going to learn everything you need all at once in one full swap. That is true. You're not going to learn everything all at once in one. It's a process. It's a process, stages. When you go online, you are learning a whole new skill. Put that at the back of your mind. When you go online, you are learning a whole new skill. Almost a new profession. Think of it. When you learn a new profession, what do you usually do? Well, you go to school for 4 years. We're not going to have you do that. And it probably shouldn't take 4 years anyway. Yes. It shouldn't take 4 years anyway to get this skill set. However, if there was a school of building a business online, it probably will take a few months to get through all the coursework. So be prepared for a learning curve. Be prepared for a learning curve. Don't try to learn everything at once. No. It's stages. You be prepared for a learning curve and don't rush everything at once. Just focus on what's in front of you. Focus on what's in front of you. Master that, implement it, and then move on. You have to get comfortable with not knowing what's ahead. Because truth be told, there are adversities. There are adversities. There's always going to be a new technology that you don't know about. And new skills that you have to acquire. That's the transition process. That is just the transition process. It's all about personal development. Aja, Joan, thank you for tuning in. It's all about personal development. There's always going to be new skills that you don't know about and new skills that you have to acquire. Keep that in mind and expect the unknown. But the other issue is a biggie and comes up often. Is the ability to overcome adversity. Because adversity must come. You must face adversity as you transition and not give up by going online. I have somebody trying to ask a question. Do certain parts of building your business become easier? Do certain parts of building your business when you go online become easier? Yes. Yes, big yes. That's the purpose of going online, to create more efficiency. So you are not doing things that either waste time or you simply don't like doing. So no more driving around town to get from point A to point B. No more meeting people one-on-one. And no more following up over and over after they've seen the plan. However, you are still going to face adversity. It's a transition process. In life, we pass through transition. You are still going to face adversity. That is life. You are still going to hit roadblocks and get stuck. If you're somebody that easily gives up when you encounter those type of things, then I don't think network marketing is for you. Don't even try to build your network marketing business. As Simon encouraged, thank you for training. Don't even dare it. If you're somebody that easily gives up, because you are bound to face adversity. That's the transition generally with life. You have to respect the new skills. You have to respect the new skills. And Ben, thank you for training. You have to respect the new skills you are learning. It's very important. You stay loyal to the process. You stay focused to the path and be willing to face the tough times. When I say respect means when you actually get stuck, you don't easily give up. Because when you give up, you cannot, you end up not gaining clarity. You push through. You push through. Even when it's hard, you push through. You push through. An important part of the question is knowing where to go to find answers. Yes. Knowing where to go to find answers, or knowing who to ask to find answers. This is vital to your success. You have to overcome peer pressures. You have to overcome peer pressures. These are people that are not going to approve of you doing something different from what they recommend within the company, maybe someone in your upline doesn't want you to explore other methods. That's normal. It's not for people who have not built their business this way to have a negative attitude. It's very normal. Human beings fear the unknown, which is why the first thing I told you was master the unknown. Master the unknown. It's very important. You program your mind to master the unknown, because their adversity should be told. It's a transition process. As every transition, there are obstacles. So master the unknown. It's natural for people to fear what they don't know. Not only is it natural to fear the unknown, but it's also natural to attack it too. So that if you're upline, even if they have a massive downline, if they haven't built a business online, then they are talking about something they don't totally understand. Building a business online is completely different than building it offline. It requires different methods, skill set, and an entire different skill set. Building offline is something you can admire and appreciate, and I certainly do, and I respect anyone that has done it. But if a leader hasn't done anything online, and they are talking smack about it or saying negativity about it, then they have no credibility in my book. Should be told. But respect them. But don't give into their doubt, fear, and negativity. But in today's day and age, more and more leaders in network marketing space are starting to accept that you can actually build on social media and use internet marketing. The proof is in the pudding. Thank you so much for tuning. So if you like to learn more about working effectively, thinking critically, and getting real results in your business, then I strongly recommend getting access to the free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp and discover how to build your business using attraction marketing. Click on the link below, or click on the learn more on my fan page. You can send the link below, you can click on. Opt in your name and email to get your free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp to get started. You will learn all about specific tools and techniques I use to connect with prospects online, so you never have to act desperate, chase down a strong arm prospect, or deal with cold calling and rejection ever again. This method allows you to build your business automatically when prospects reach out to you, instead of you having to reach out to them. The bottom line is that in today's age, you don't need to be pushy, obnoxious, or overly aggressive to build a successful network marketing business. So if you're ready to get started, click below to get access to the 10-day online recruiting bootcamp. Thank you so much. I'm so excited for staying with me. Thank you so much. It's very important to make up your mind to be comfortable with the unknown as you transition, because in general in life you pass through transitional process. That is true. So make up your mind. That's why mental toughness is very important as we transition in this journey. Aside that, we need to devote our time to personal development. Thank you so much for tuning in. Teaching for the part 2. Thank you so much. I'm so excited.
Follow me for tips, tools, and training to professionally build your network marketing business online to get targeted prospects and team members. Follow me for tips, tools, and training to professionally build your network marketing business online to get targeted prospects and team members. If you love to learn more about working effectively and getting real results in your business, click on the link below to get access to the free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp. Obtain your email to get it now. Thanks for tuning in. If you love to learn more about working effectively and getting real results in your business, click on the link below to get access to the free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp. Obtain your email to get it now. Thanks for tuning in.